The Health Ministry held an emergency meeting on Sunday with state health officials to tackle the crisis of contaminated cough syrups after 14 children died in MP's Chhindwara. The meeting aimed to reinforce control measures and ensure the safety and quality of pharmaceutical products in the country, especially over-the-counter medicines like cough syrups, which are generally not recommended for children under 5 years of age. As many as 14 children in Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara have died due to suspected renal failure after they consumed the ColdriF cough syrup. Later, officials stated that the samples of the drug were found to contain 48.6% diethylene glycol, a highly toxic substance.